again with Crafting Identities. This is another episode with Monali, and we're going to talk something. Oh God, it's so hot. It's so hot. Wait. Monali, what do you think? What's the weather now? Isn't it very hot? Oof, it is.
It is. It's terribly hot.
Yes.
Yeah. So, you know what? Yesterday, I got a rash with that lycra thing in the night I was wearing.
Okay.
And which is why I thought, let's promote more linen and cottons,
yes. Oh yes, linens are in anyways. And I definitely would like Monali to talk about a lot of linens. And today's conversation will be more on linen. And we're going to over to you, Monali. I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay, on linen, right? So, what I understood about linen, if you can just elaborate a little bit, that linen counts in summer linen 60 liya, 100 liya. Can you break down what actually means for the wearer?
So think of Li as the thread count of linen. The lower it is like 40, 60, they are more thicker and rustic. The more the counts, like 100, 120, like what I'm wearing right now is 100 Li.
Okay.
It gets more finer. The texture is lightweight. It gives you more comfy, silky feeling. And you can wear them all day long. Also, the backing what we use is more like cotton behind our linen blazers, and which is why we ensure that you are comfortable in our garments.
Okay. So, Monali, say monsoon season is notoriously tough on corporate people when they're traveling, their clothes gets dirty and it gets very difficult for them. So, what is your suggestion for monsoon? You know, what kind of styling should be done in the monsoon for all the corporates?
See, we also use in our store, we use these water resistant fabrics.
Oh, this is interesting. Wow.
And they are blends which will give you comfort and they dry faster.
Okay.
And ensuring it gives you classy look when you enter a boardroom.
Right.
They stay stiff, and the maintenance.
Yeah, so it will help me also. I do so much podcast, so it'll help me to wear something very classy, which is I don't have to think about during monsoon that it'll get wet or I have to be.
So these fabrics are mostly blends.
Okay.
But we use lighter blends, which are especially good for your monsoon.
Nice.
Yeah, like say linen blends, and then there is cotton blends.
Okay.
Which is mix of cotton, linen, and a poly, which is a blended fabric. It's available in the market. Something what I'm wearing right now is an Armani trouser.
Okay.
And these, they don't need much maintenance.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't need to even iron them, is it?
No, you need not iron them. Yeah.
It's amazing.
And they dry faster. They look classy.
Yes, they do.
And we have designed also for men kurtas for weddings.
Yeah.
With some embroidery, and they hold good the luster.
Nice.
Yeah, and the fall. So nowadays, you get fabrics which are imported, and we do have such fabrics.
So you're saying for corporates during rainy seasons, one needs to try out these linen. I mean the linen
blends,
which will help people where will actually there'll not be water. It will be water resistant, that you're saying.
They are water resistant. Obviously, they will take some water while washing, but not too much. They'll dry faster.
Okay.
Yeah, and they are not called linen blends. They're called Armani. Is purely a poly with a blend. Which is a imported fabric, and they are lighter. They are very lighter, so it does not take much time.
Right.
To dry. Yeah.
Nice. Wedding also, does it look very classy?
It looks classy because the making matters a lot, and we know how to use this fabric for nice tuxedo as well as your jodhpuris.
Yeah.
And for women, these trousers for corporates, right?
Yes, of course.
And I made blazers also from this. Even I made for a few my few doctor clients. I've made for them these cord sets with these trousers and nice kurtis. So with the collars we use,
for professional attires and clothes, you need to definitely come to Monali for this. I mean, I really like that concept of during
the monsoon
time that we don't need to worry about it's all getting drenched and you're really you can take the train or whatever, but you can still
look classy.
Look classy when you're going to office or whatever. That's nice. Yeah, great. So Monali, this is a question for you. So as it is 139 billion, it's the latest thing that is there in wedding right now. Okay. I want to ask you, how do you deal with the wedding aspects? We'll start with wedding for now. What is coming is July, August is the time where a lot of weddings are there too. So how do you deal in the wedding space? And now weddings are also not just a wedding. There are carnivals, there are themes. Every wedding has a theme.
Yeah.
And there are different aspects of the theme, and the bridal wears something, the family wears something. So it's a full event. So how do you tackle that, Monali, if you can help us with?
Okay, so what we do is before the wedding season start, we curate the swatches pre-hand. And say for example, there's a carnival theme. Okay, so we'll curate swatches based on the carnival. Say 10 swatches for carnival.
Okay.
Based on the fabrics which can be used. People have blingy themes for carnival.
Right.
And multicolor they want to wear. For example, here we have done something in which is more with the mirror on it, and it has subtle as well as it has that blink.
Okay.
Something here which is with multiple threads.
So are these handmade, like curated hand?
Yeah,
With
they
hand,
have
is
mix.
that like something?
They are mix of say machine as well
Oh,
as the
okay.
hand. Yeah,
Okay.
and we ensure that based on the theme and the clients your occasion, we will design also a new fresh piece for them that time.
Yeah.
And we'll show them a small swatch, and that's how we start with a particular event. And say now there is other theme, like these days there are these blingy themes.
Yes,
Yeah,
for weddings,
so,
right?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
And that's when we use we use this kardana work on the.
What is kardana work? If you
Kardana
could just
is
explain a
something
bit.
which blinks,
Okay.
and it blinks in the dark. Okay.
Okay.
And we use a small little crystal kind of a thing,
Okay.
and they are called kardana, and they are pre-hand embroidered. We'll show a small swatch
Oh.
on. It's a Kashmiri fabric, and we have done a small swatch on this.
Nice.
Yeah.
So this is like the groom wears it, or is it for the bride? It is for or the family. How does it work? If you can throw a little light on this, please.
Yeah. So now these are for pre-wedding occasions,
Okay.
right? They can be used for also the bride's mother.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because it's a little lighter for the bride. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And also grooms nowadays, they don't want too much of
Bling bling.
bling. Yeah.
Yes.
So this little heavy for the
Right.
So
So it is more for women.
for women, and also for the groom's brother
Groom's
or the
brother.
father. Yeah. If
Okay.
we make a sherwani from this, because the fabric is nice.
Yes.
It's very detailed embroidered,
Right.
and which is when the father is more subtle.
Right.
Yeah. So we curate such swatches, and then in these things we play, and we show them a small through AI
Oh.
on their body how it's going to look.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And so now you're utilizing AI properly with your design bit. That's lovely.
Yeah.
Amazing.
And then there can be changes in the color as well.
Okay.
Looking into consideration your other family members. If you want to
Yes.
do a twinning or say a contrast.
Correct.
Yeah, and then we can curate through AI, and then we can develop something based on this what we have.
Nice.
It gets for client also easy to understand how they're going to look in the event. Yeah.
Right. Oh, great. So how does it work? So they come to you, you sit with them, understand the entire theme, and accordingly you then suggest them what they need to wear and what kind of
Definitely.
attire they
Yeah.
need to wear, and go with their personality, right? That's what you suggest them with.
Actually.
And also it would be like what are the occasions in the wedding? So like as wedding is huge today,
Yeah.
it's not no more as I said just a bit of a people coming and just doing the wedding. It is more of a event.
Yeah.
And so all events you suggest things like a carnival theme, or there is any other theme, accordingly you suggest it, right?
They have with the event managers.
Yes,
they
of
have
course.
pre-planned themes these days.
Absolutely correct. Yes.
So, say if it's a destination wedding.
yes.
Yeah, so then they have these, lighter weight garments which are again wrinkle free. And these also you
Absolutely.
can get wrinkle free.
Also, I
Yeah.
think it's also depending on the time of the year. If it is winters,
Yeah.
maybe you suggest something accordingly.
We use more suedes.
Sweets, yeah, nice. Okay.
We use more velvets for women.
Right.
We use Banarasi.
Yes.
We use a lot of
Because winter is the best season to
it's the
get
best
married
season for
in
wedding.
anyways.
That's when
Yes.
the maximum
Absolutely,
wedding, you know.
weddings happen. Yes.
And you can play with jackards. And
Yes.
winter is something which, you know, most of the weddings happen in.
Yes.
They start 6 months in advance.
Absolutely correct.
So
So, any weddings that you can share that, you know, anybody, any of your customers who were literally very happy and they literally, you know, talked about it and they
Yeah,
were
so
very-
I have a client from Vancouver.
Yeah, you don't have to take names.
Yeah,
that's okay.
so-
But you can say, you know what.
So he was here for say 15 days. No, he is a client from Vancouver. So the couple had come and they had a very small time, but they looked around here and there. And most of the storerooms, like all those, most of the big, people, you know, they were not ready to make in 15 days their nice special outfits.
Correct,
You know,
correct.
Which is when we did in 15 days nice attires for them.
Oh.
In fact, we gave them in 10 days. Having, you know, the experience of more
So-
than 11 years now.
10 days you give the attire.
The attire for wedding, yeah. And also they had this like a Varmala event. Then
Oh.
they had Sangeet events, cocktail parties.
Nice.
Yeah, and we have these fabrics for each event here.
Right.
So here inside one roof, you come across multiple things, you know.
Yes. Yes.
So it's one-stop destination.
So imagine this. I understand someone who is petite, maybe
Yeah.
somebody who is a little oversized.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you help them in the wedding? I mean, just a thought, because there will be a lot of oversized people also
Yeah.
who come for a wedding and getting married. So how do you help them in terms of their attire? Do you suggest a particular type of color? Do you suggest a particular type of look and feel? What is as a consultant here? How do you suggest that?
So if it's an oversized person,
Yeah.
we ideally want them, you know, to wear something which is more airy, more lighter.
Right. Nice.
And at the same time, the embroidery is more in a way which is not overpowering.
Correct.
Yeah. And the colors also, we take darker shades. Yeah.
So oversized people should wear darker shades. Is that what you're suggesting?
It's darker shades, definitely. Why? Because it gives you, and also one color.
Oh,
yeah.
okay,
One
okay.
color gives you that length.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and it gives you leaner feel, you know.
Guys, you
Yeah.
should listen to this. This
Yeah.
is very interesting.
So we
information. Yeah.
consider a lot of things and doing an image analysis, you know.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, we learned that also, and doing that pre-hand and then seeing their time of event. Sometimes, you know, these haldi parties and all.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we give them nice darker shades of pink
Mm-hmm.
for the brides.
Nice.
Yeah, they look fresh at the same time, very feminine. And
Yes,
for
pink
boys,
is very, very feminine.
yeah,
It's very
and for
nice.
boys we give them light cream in contrast.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So that's how it goes
But
well.
a lot of people today nowadays use yellow because it's
Yellow is now not in. Yellow
Oh.
have become, you know, for the family members.
Ah,
The grooms
okay.
and the brides are not wearing them, you know.
they like some lighter color, pastel colors. Is that
It's not pastel, it can be a fresh fuchsia.
okay?
Yeah, and the season this year is going to be a midnight blue for the grooms, and the cloud dancer, which is a daytime event, you know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and a transformative teal, which is going to be for the night events.
Oh,
Yeah, and such colors, you know, looking the trends coming up,
yeah,
you
of
know.
course, of course.
The
So you
ear
also
trend,
do
yeah.
trend analysis.
The trend analysis. Yeah.
Yes, so you also do trend analysis
Yeah.
before you also suggest to the groom and the
Definitely,
bride.
yeah.
And yeah. So you also get clients who are also interested to know the latest things in the trend. Is that so?
Not the clients, is we will make sure that we are giving them something which is trendy at the same time their comfort,
Yeah.
and also the event, you know, theme.
Yes.
So considering everything, a garment is, you know,
So
structured.
they come
you
and
know.
tell you about the event. What is the whole event all
Yeah.
about, and then you
Design.
decide and
Yeah.
design
Yeah.
each and every.
Too many things are
Yeah, of
definitely considered pre-hand.
Absolutely great. So I think this is something great that you are doing, and I think
Yeah.
your wedding collection is amazing, Monali. I think one should come and just visit and check out the wedding collection. It's a plethora of different kinds of designs that she has worked on. So great. I quite like this kind of concept, which is like AI does analysis, and
Yeah.
then you decide, and then you take a call.
Even the
or-
swatch, the
Swatch,
embroidery,
yes,
the
yes.
personal body statistics. Yeah.
Correct.